Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we discuss type of the arrays and why we need Numpy and how to install Numpy. First, type of the array. There are two types of the array: single dimensional or multi-dimensional. Till here, we only discuss single dimensional or 1D array. Multi-dimensional is 2D or 3D array. 1D array is array with one row and multiple columns, and 2D arrays with multiple rows and multiple columns. Now the second question is why we need Numpy. First, create 1D array. We use array module to create 1D array. From array, import static. Now AR equal to array. You write the type of the array, and then I use for integer array. Here we write numbers. Now print. Here you can see we get 1D array. Now how to create 2D array? One square used for one row. We use two square to create two row. Now run to check. Here we get error. Why? Because in array module we cannot create 2D array. That's why we use Numpy to create 2D array or multi-dimensional array. We write here Numpy to import Numpy module, but here we get error. Now run to check. Here you can see we get error, no module name Numpy. Because by default Numpy module is not available, we need to install it. Check on Python shell. Here write import Numpy. Here you can see we also get error, no module name Numpy. To install Numpy, open command prompt and write here command pip3 install Numpy. It takes few minutes to install. Here you can see successfully install Numpy. Now open IDLE. Here we write command import Numpy. Here you can see there is no error. That means now we have Numpy in our system. Now again use in PyCharm. Now run. Here you can see we again get error, no module name Numpy. Why? Because after installing Numpy, we need to install in PyCharm. Click on File, then Setting, and then Project Interpreter. Then click on Add. Here search Numpy. Click on Numpy and install package. Here you can see installing. Here you can see Numpy installed successfully. Now you can see there is no error. Now first create 1D array using Numpy. ARR. Here no need to write the type of the array. Simply you write the value of that array. Now print. Here you can see we get the array. If you want to write the type, we can also write the type of the array. After comma here we write the type int. Now run. Here you can see we get the array of the type int. Now create 2D array. First we write the square brackets, then here we write first row, then after comma we write the second row. Now print to check. Here we get 2D array. In next video we discuss the different way of creating array using Numpy. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.